Creating a professional resume doesn't have to be difficult. With ChatGPT, you can organize your experience, improve your wording, and build a resume that stands out to employers. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for resume writing from start to finish. So let's jump right in. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click New Chat to begin creating your resume. Next, provide ChatGPT with your work experience, education, skills, certifications, and any achievements you'd like to include. The more complete and accurate your information is, the better your resume draft will be. To make your resume more relevant, tell ChatGPT about the job you want. You can paste the job description or summarize the role and explain which skills the employer is looking for. This helps ChatGPT tailor your resume to the position. Now ask ChatGPT to create a professional resume using the information you've provided. You can request a clean layout with sections for your summary, work experience, education, technical skills, certifications, and projects if they're relevant. Once the first draft is ready, ask ChatGPT to strengthen your bullet points using clear action verbs and measurable achievements whenever possible. Strong, specific descriptions often make your experience more impactful. Next, ask ChatGPT to check your resume for grammar, spelling, formatting, and consistency. Then customize the resume for each job application by adjusting keywords, highlighting relevant skills, and emphasizing your most applicable experience. Before submitting your resume, read through every section carefully. Verify dates, job titles, company names, and achievements to make sure everything is accurate. Your final review ensures the resume reflects your experience honestly and professionally, and that's how to use ChatGPT for resume writing. By providing accurate information, tailoring your resume for each role, and reviewing the final draft carefully, you can create a stronger application in much less time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and thanks for watching.